Hi guys, in this video we will see how to share notebooks in your OneNote app on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you want to share your notebooks with anyone, then here are the process. Launch OneNote app first, go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system. Here OneNote app is now open. Here your notebook here which you want to share. Click on share option from the top right corner. Click on it, click on a small arrow and 4 options available. Share entire notebook, copy link to notebook, email copy of page and manage access. So share entire notebook. Click on it. Loading this page. Wait for some times and here send link. Anyone with the link can edit option available here. Anyone, a specific people. If you want to send a specific people, then make the check against a specific people and more settings also available. Receiver can edit or can view only. Choose as per your choice and choose apply. Set expiration date. You can also set a date. If you want to choose anyone, then anyone, otherwise a specific people. Click on apply and your people you specify can view. Here type address and if you want to choose anyone, then anyone. Click on apply. Set expiration date or set password. If you want to protect this, then choose set password. Can edit, then you can't set password, and for this set password you will have to go premium and purchase subscription, and thereafter click on apply. Your selected notebook will shared with anyone. The second option is copy link to notebook. Here link to tips how to create it. Copy it. Anyone with this link can view it or edit it. Same process. Choose more settings and click on apply to send a link of your notebook with anyone or selected a specified people.